Alright, so first you're going to take your glue gun and your mailbox, and you're going to open it slightly, and you're going to place a good amount of glue on the bottom of the mailbox. And you're going to open it all the way, and you're going to press it firmly so that it holds in place. So you're just going to set it to the side and let it dry. Now you're going to open your tin can. You're going to get your wine glass, and you're going to apply some glue to the rim of the wine glass, and you're going to place it in that corner of the heart. And you're just going to firmly press down so that the glue sticks to the tin can and the wine glass. And you're just going to press down on it, apply some pressure. Now you're going to take your mailbox, and you're going to put some glue on the edge of the wine glass around the bottom of it. Put a good amount so that the mailbox can sit on top of the wine glass. You're just going to firmly press down and hold it so that it sticks. I turned it upside down and pushing down firmly on it. Okay, now you're just going to make sure everything is stuck, and you're going to let it dry for a little bit and apply more glue if you need. But mine was fine. I didn't have to apply any more glue. Now you're going to take your stuffed animal. I'm using a monkey that I got from the Dollar Tree, and he has the Velcro hands, and I'm just going to wrap his hands around the mailbox and close them with the Velcro. You can add a little glue if you want to keep him in place so that he doesn't fall. You can glue his legs on the glass. I'm just going to place a little glue on the side of his head to keep his head in place. Okay, now I'm just adding some candies inside of the tin can of the heart. Just a mixture of different chocolates from the Dollar Tree, the Kisses and the cookies and cream heart candies. Just gonna fill it up. Gonna add some inside of the mailbox. And I'm just going to put some to make them look like they're falling out of the mailbox. And to get them to stick, you can put a drop of glue from the glue gun onto the candy and make it stay on the mailbox. Or you can put some glue dots. I'm just going to use some double-sided tape to stick it there. It doesn't hold it really well, but it's a temporary hold. And I chose to use the glue, to use the tape instead of the glue. And we're done, and that's the finished product.